Hello YouTube friends, Dr. Teresa Ulrich here again. I'm excited because we are very close to finally getting seahorses in this aquarium. We've been working on this actually for months. I did a few tests today and very encouraging. The Dipstick Test, when I compare the extreme left is nitrates, and according to this, we're probably a little over 20 nitrates. Nitrites look 0. I know it's a little hard to tell on the video for the distinction. Really, the dipstick is only a quick test just to quickly see if something needs to be investigated further. So to get more accurate numbers, I used my other testing equipment, and I'm very excited because for the first time, let me see if I can get that in focus, nitrites are showing up as 0, so it's matching the dipstick there. I also did a precision test, and I'm going to put the vial, trying to open this with one hand, so I apologize. I'm going to put the vial on top of the card to match. This is the precision test, and when I put that in the center there and confirm, yep, it looks like we are at 0. So I thought I'd go ahead and try looking at what the nitrates were this time, since it looks like we finished cycling through ammonia, nitrites, and now we're into the nitrates area. So as the dipstick indicated, we're probably maybe that 10 parts per million range. It might actually even be a little bit less than that, which is very, very good. So this is easy to take care of. I'll do a quick water change, and then next time I'll use the precision nitrate test just to make sure that we're pretty darn close to 0. And it looks like in the next video or so, we're going to be looking at some seahorse acquisition. So thanks so much for your patience and following me on this journey, this chronicle of getting the seahorse tank set up. I can't wait to share the seahorse experiences with you. Thank you.